In this video, we will distinguish properties that are preserved under transformations. When shapes are translated, reflected, or rotated, the length of the sides, the size of the angles, and the area of the shape remain the same. Hence, the image of any shape that is translated, reflected, or rotated will be congruent with the object. When shapes are enlarged, the only property that remains the same is the size of the angles. The lengths of the sides do not remain the same, but they do remain in the same proportion or ratio. So hence the image of any shape that is enlarged will be not congruent but similar to the object. And also as a result of when you enlarge something, the length of the sides will change, so the area will not remain the same. It will be increased by the enlargement scale factor squared. So for example, if the enlargement scale factor was 2, I'll change that. If the enlargement scale factor was 3, so the length of the sides would get 3 times bigger, the area would get 3 squared times bigger, so it would get 9 times bigger. Okay, question 1. Write down two shapes which are congruent. So congruent shapes would be this one and this one here. So you'd say A, B, C and G, H, I. They have got BC is the same length as HG, AB is the same length as IG, AC is the same length as HI, and this angle is the same as this one, this is the same as this one, and this is the same as this one. So same angles, same size, it's just been reflected, so it's still congruent. Now we have to write down two shapes which are similar. So if we look at this one and this one, AC is 1, DE is 2, BC is 3, F to E is 6. So this one here is an enlargement of this one. So they've got exactly the same angles, and that's because the lengths of their sides are in the same proportion. Hence, they are similar shapes. So ABC and DEF are similar. These ones here are neither congruent or similar because all the angles are different relative to these ones.